Hey guys! Welcome to VideoSolo channel. In this video, I am going to introduce a sound recording program for anyone who wants to record lectures, podcasts, and virtually anything else. VideoSolo Screen Recorder comes with cutting-edge features allowing you to capture any screen activity such as online videos, games, Zoom meetings, and demonstrations. It also has an independent audio recorder that can help you record both microphone and system sound, and save them in the best quality formats such as MP3, AAC, M4A, WMA. Here are a few steps you can follow to make it work. First, click the link below to install VideoSolo Screen Recorder on your computer. If you want to record your own voice, don't forget to connect the external microphone in advance. Then launch the recorder and select Audio Recorder. Turn on the system sound and microphone, then click on the gear icon and select the output format and quality you need in the Output tab. Let's move to Sound, adjust the volume level here, and check the microphone noise reduction and microphone enhancement, which can significantly reduce ambient noise to improve the audio quality and make your recorded sound more perfect. And here is a sound check option that enables you to confirm whether the recorded sound is normal. If all the settings are done, click this red button to start recording. You can click here to pause and start during the recording process. Also, if you do not want to install third-party recording software, as a Windows user, you can use the built-in Windows Recorder. Type Recorder in the search box at the bottom left corner of the desktop to find it. After launching it, click on this microphone icon to start recording. It should be noted that it can only record the sound of the microphone. That's all for today's video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get more practical tips.